Let us make our future now. Fire up our engines with an inner sense of purpose. Push our buttons to conquer the challenges. Earn the vision to see the invisible, because the way we move says a lot about us. This is why Eiffel Lubricants leads the way with exceptional performance and powerful solutions. Since 2004, the foundation of our organization is upheld with a team of experts having 70-plus years of combined former experience in MNC companies. Our diverse workforce implements multicultural knowledge and ongoing dedication, ensuring Eiffel Lubricants is managed with highest quality and standards. Eiffel Lubricants provides a variety of quality products and services which include commercial vehicle lubricants, automotive lubricants, marine lubricants, industrial lubricants. Our series of flagship products hold approvals from major OEM like MAN, Porsche, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, Mack, and Renault. Our API-certified products, under the license number 3337, cover a wide range of products with proven performance and customer satisfaction. While being the emerging force of lubricants in the UAE, we mark our presence globally by owning major plants in UAE, Kenya, and India, and distribution in several other countries across the world. Surely, it is our quest to continuously offer customized products and cost-effective solutions that instigates our state-of-the-art manufacturing process. Eiffel sets a benchmark standard with its promise to quality and efficiency. We continuously engage and train our people for a progressive and productive workforce.
We have multiple highly developed facilities to manufacture our lubricants and greases. Our annual capacity includes 40,000 metric tons of lubricants, 16,000 metric tons of greases, and 6,000 metric tons of VI improvers.
We produce lubricants from high-quality raw materials that consist of base oils procured from European and South Korean refineries, while the additives are procured from global corporations like Afton, Chevron, Lubrizol, and Infineum. Our process can be divided into three major stages: receipt of raw materials, blending of products, filling, and packing. All the above processes are micromanaged with an extensive inspection that takes place at the heart of our quality assurance laboratory.
Our laboratory is one of the best quality assurance and testing facility in the region that adheres to the strict ASTM standards in order to conduct tests for raw materials upon receipt and also on the finished products during blending and filling process, and also in order to carry out condition monitoring analysis. In fact, our commitment in pursuing ISO 17025 accreditation is an indicator to our dedication to provide high quality and advanced technology products and solutions to our customers.
We provide a wide range of value-added technical support services to our customers, ensuring the right lubricant is used for every machine. Our strength further lies in committing to build a loyal relationship with our customers.
We aim to provide high-quality products to our customers by focusing on their objectives, conducting a trustworthy business, and reinforcing teamwork with integrity and innovation.
Supporting our customers' growth is essential for our organization. Our management reaches globally to constantly communicate, conduct seminars, and train its customers. In fact, their satisfaction assures the perseverance in our widespread services. We believe inspiring global communities is core for development, so let's come together for awakening opportunities, for self-sufficient systems, for an infinitive truth. Eiffel Lubricants, life without friction.